welcome back to another video, and today we are looking at this pink slime. So I'm going to tell you how I made it and stuff. Ooh, someone might want to another person liked me. It's great. Okay, I don't care anymore. I'm going to show you how this is made and do some satisfying stuff with it and stuff. So let's get started. Okay, so you can stretch. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it first. Oh shoot, I just dropped it. Okay, here's our demonstration for it. So this rips very, very easily if you just go like this, as you can tell. And it is jiggly slime. If you guys don't know what jiggly slime is, it's like basically slime, but you put it in hot water, let it sit for a while, then when you take it out, it's like really jiggly. So that's pretty much. Okay, so this is how you make it. So you can do any slime recipe with this and make it jiggly instead of butter slime, because butter slime would just fall apart. And it will make it jiggly like this, but not. And if you want to add food coloring to it, like it doesn't matter if you add food coloring to it and then do it, because it won't like spill it everywhere. So now let's get on to the satisfying stuff. I'm also going to make a video today about me walking home, or if we have indoor recess today, I'll probably make one in indoor recess. So. Okay, so this slime is really jiggly, and sometimes it doesn't come back apart, which is great because you can do this. Make it decorate all over the place. Okay, that was it for this video, so check in with me, Andy. Bye.